Hi gang, so I have a Moment T-Series 58mm lens and I want to use it with my Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and I've decided to make a custom adapter because Moment doesn't make any cases for the Sony Xperia line like it does for the iPhone or Samsung, and their universal adapter for the T-Series, I have it, but it doesn't work well. The threads are way too loose, and this requires clamping of the adapter onto the front of the phone. That minimizes access to the front screen. This was the first adapter that I had made, and you can see that's how it attaches. This is the case that I chose because I like the design. Here's the fabric backing that I'm removing, and I'm going to reuse that to protect the phone itself later on from the screws in the back. So removing the backing reveals that there is a metal sheet underneath, and this is because Ideal of Sweden's cases are magnetic. And then just cleaning up the glue and spacing out the appropriate size for the adapter. So this is roughly the size of what the adapter would be. I'm tracing out the stencil for all the holes that I need. There are 3 camera holes as well as 2 holes for the speaker and the flash. Using a soldering torch to melt the plastic in the middle. Then I switched to a Dremel to drill in the small holes. So I had to experiment with the different attachments to see which fit the best. And I had to make the holes a little bit wider so the Moment lens could fit through. I drilled in the 2 wings so that the Moment lens could fit properly. Trying to have symmetrical screw openings. Unfortunately, it's very hard to get this totally symmetrical, but I did my best. Marking in the holes in the back of the case and then screwing in the adapter. The sharp ends of the screws came through the case, and I had to grind them down so that they would not damage the phone. And now I'm tracing out onto the fabric that I removed earlier, the general area that needs protecting from the screws, even though I had grinded them down. Just want to make sure that they're extra safe. And here is the case with the adapter on and the lens on as well. As you can see, it works totally fine. I tested this case out the other day with the Moment lens as well as 2 earth filters, the variable ND and the CPL filter, and here are the results.